Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to search your Instagram stories viewers list. So what that means, that you can check if someone looked to your story, especially when you have a huge number of followers. So to do this you have to go to Instagram. And of course, you should be subscribed to Instagram Plus to have this option. After that, you go to that story that you want to check. Click on it. And as you can see in the top of the screen, there is an option called Search Viewers. You have just to click on it. For example, I will search for one of my friends. And here it is. I found him in that story viewers list. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.